Hello everyone, welcome to our new videos today. I'm going to go ahead and introduce our newest products on my right hand. This Conveyor toasters, countertop stylings, and let me give you the overall dimensions first. The unit's entire width is about like 14.5 inches. Include the pan sheets together, the total dimensions front to the behind. They are about like 27 inches and a half, 27.5 inches deep. And the overall height is about like 16 and 1/4 inches tall. So as we can see, the units, they do having the indicator lights on this side, and also have the temperature adjusters and the styling adjuster right here, and power off. And they do have a tray at the bottoms, and the behind they have a tray too. And for this access entries, it's about like a 10 and 1/4 inches wide. And this one front to the behinds, it's about like 15 inches in total. And the back sheet pan, they are about like 8 inches long and 11 and 1/4 inches wide. And for this bottom one, it's about like 10 and 1/4 inches. Entire dip's about like 15 inches deep. Now let me turn around to show you the back size. Okay, we can see the back side they have a covers. You can pull it up so they can roll in the sheets inner side to the bottoms. And also we do have a stickers on the side. This unit is using the standard 110 plugs and our company's name, and also the detailed cut sheets information on the sticker too. And this will be the all demonstration information about the products. If you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.